Let's decode Claude's 2025 pricing, including the models, plans, and the hidden costs you should know about. We'll touch on the different models and plans, but the key takeaway is this: the raw API price isn't the full story for business use cases. So, why is this complicated? Claude's pricing is a mix of subscriptions and a pay-as-you-go system based on tokens, which can feel like learning a new language. First, it's important to know that Claude isn't just one AI. It's a whole family of models. Choosing the right one is the first step to managing your costs effectively. Here's a quick look at the main three. Haiku is the fastest and cheapest. Opus is the most powerful for deep analysis, and Sonnet offers a great balance for most business tasks. Alright, so there are two primary ways to pay for these models. You can either get a monthly subscription for the chat app, or use the pay-as-you-go API to build Claude into your own tools. Subscription plans are the simplest way to get started with a flat monthly fee. However, their usage limits aren't really designed for high-volume business needs like a 24/7 support bot. The plans range from a free version to kick the tires, to pro for power users, and then team and enterprise plans for larger companies that need more collaboration and security. Now for the other side of the coin, API pricing. With the API, you pay only for what you use, measured in tokens, which are basically pieces of words for both what you send and what you get back. As you can see, the price per model varies quite a bit. It's also worth noting that output tokens are much more expensive because it takes more computing power for the AI to generate a response. Now, here's where it gets tricky, especially for support teams. While API pricing seems straightforward, the token cost is really just the beginning of the story. The biggest issue with token-based billing for support is its unpredictability. A single, long customer conversation can unexpectedly drive up your bill, penalizing you for high engagement. On top of that, the API is just one piece of the puzzle. You still have to build and maintain an entire system to connect it to your help desk, which adds a significant hidden cost in developer time. So, a common question we get is how businesses should approach this. It really comes down to your use case. A subscription is great for internal team use, while the API is for building custom apps. This is why a purpose-built platform like eesel AI can be a game changer. It offers predictable pricing based on resolutions, not confusing tokens, and integrates with your tools in just a few clicks. So if you're looking for the power of modern AI without the billing complexity and hidden setup costs, a dedicated platform is definitely the smarter path forward.